Hello, my name is Chris Robertson. I'm the director for Salus North America. And in this video, we're going to show you how to add the Salus wireless fan coil controller and remote into your Salus Smart Home application. So the next step in the process is we need to add devices on within the database. So I want to scan for devices. The next thing I want to do is hold the fan mode and gear button until code 00 appears. I want to scroll down to code 55, which allows the system to unbuild its current network and then rebuild the ZigBee network with the gateway. So I want to tell it to unbuild and then hit select. So now it's going through and unbuilding the network, the local network, and adding it into the gateway. At the same time, I want to put the remote into pairing mode by just pressing the gear button. And now, at this point, all we have to do is wait for the devices to appear in the database. So now we can see both devices have shown up in the database. So we want to select both devices to connect. And now the application is adding them into the database and into the cloud. So I want to provide unique names for each device. And now they are now added into the database. We have one more step to do here, and we need to go to all devices and click on to the fan coil controller to make sure it's connected to the fan coil, and you can see it is. If it were not, there would be a button here that you could press to link them together, but in this case, they are connected. So now your systems are connected to connected together and in the database, and you can start using the app to control the thermostat. If you have any questions, please contact Salus North America. Thank you.